Hey kids! So today, as a shout out to my wife's Filipino heritage,
I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Filipino summertime treat.
it's called halo halo. But first, I have a dad joke for you. So what do you call a marshmallow with a hole in it? A hollow mallow. So anyway, let's get started. All right, so the basic ingredients that you'll need, and these are really easy to pick up, is you'll need some, this is called fruit mixture and syrup, or halo halo. It even says it right on it. And then here's just a smaller version of it, different brand with halo halo ingredients. You can find this in any Asian store. And then you'll need some milk. You can use whole milk, you can use non-fat milk. It's whatever you want to do. You kind of make it your own. I think traditionally in the Philippines they use sweetened condensed milk. Makes it super sweet though, so we're not going to do that. And then I'm even just going to use almond milk, okay? So traditionally the way they do it is they use a shaved ice. So if you don't have a shaved ice machine, you could use crushed ice and then maybe just pick out the pieces that are kind of bigger. That would still work, but shaved ice is really the way to go. So if you have a shaved ice machine, which we have because we like to enjoy our halo halo. So you'll need some ice that you're going to put in your shaved ice machine. And then if you're really fancy, you will add Ube Ice Cream too, which you can get at any Asian store. You should be able to anyway. So, all right, so what we do is we take this jar and then we dump it out because it's not mixed. It doesn't come mixed, okay? So you take it and then you dump it into a different jar like this, and then that way you can mix it all up, because if you don't and you dump that into your mixture, you're just gonna have, all the red beans are at the bottom. You're not gonna be able to mix them in good, so it's good to go ahead and pre-mix it. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk you through us adding the ingredients.
First, we're going to go ahead and shave the ice with our ice shaver. First, we're going to add our halo halo mixture. Typically, these have red mung beans, white beans, a coconut gel, and then some coconut strings, and it's in heavy syrup. There's usually other things depending on the brand, but that's basically what's in this. Next, go ahead and add your shaved ice, and usually pack this in pretty heavy. I don't show that here, but normally kind of pack it down once you put it in. Next, add whatever milk you want to use and add as much or as little as you'd like. I probably add a little bit too much here, but it's up to you. And then you can add your Ube ice cream. This is really nice, and you can even top it off with whipped cream. It's really whatever you want to make of it.
All right, so I hope you enjoy that nice little treat. It's just kind of a fun thing that we always look forward to every summer. That's why we actually invested in the ice shaver, but you can make it your own. And I've seen people add all kinds of different things. So if you went online, you could probably find people add corn, and they add all kinds of different things to it. But that's kind of the real easy, basic way to get you started. So, all right, I hope that was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.